Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today is another episode of KDP questions where you guys have been sending in comments through the comment section. I've gone through a bunch of them and picked my favourite ones to answer for you guys today. Now if you haven't been here before, my name is Roy and I run this channel called Mr. Rozza. If you haven't been here before, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, as it would be greatly appreciated and helps me and motivates me on this YouTube journey. And if you're wondering about where I'm sitting at the moment, well, I'm just currently sitting on the end of my bed as, well, I'm not needing my computer today and there's a nice amount of natural light out there. And in fact, if I just turn the camera around, I'll show you what I'm seeing at the moment. So here is my laptop here with my notes and there is outside. So yeah, let's just get straight into it and let's start with the first question. So the first question is from Sharia Mahmud. Sorry if I got your name wrong. I have a question. Can I publish same interior with different cover? My interior is custom lined journal with a watermark. Can I create more book with different cover with this interior? Well, yes, you can publish the same interior with a different cover. It's actually a very good idea. It's something that I personally did a lot, and well, a good example of something like that would be with a lined interior. With a lined interior, you can create a cover which suits people that love football, and then you can also create one for people that love unicorns, say for example. So yeah, that's a very good idea and it's a very good question. And yes, the simple answer is yes, you can do that, and it's something I'd really recommend to everyone. So yeah, it's an easy way to target different people in different niches. And yeah, let's move on to question 2. So the second question is from Lopez Motivation. But the issue I'm having is my books are not yet reviewed. First was rejected, but don't know the issue. Need a help. Well, actually, when your book is rejected, Amazon do send you an email to the email address that you sign up with. So what you're going to want to do is just wait out and wait for that email you'll receive from Amazon, and they'll tell you what the issue is and how you can solve the issue so you don't make that mistake in the future, and hopefully correct that mistake you have in, say, your cover or interior. And yeah, move on and create lots and lots of books. So yeah, it's a good question, and yeah, just keep an eye out on your emails and you should receive one from Amazon saying what the issue is. So question 3 is from Drid Casper DZ. Move your hair away from your eyes. That's upset who see your videos. Well, as it's quarantine at the moment, I haven't been able to get my hair cut as the hairdressers aren't open. So yes, that is the reason why my hair is super long right now. I am going to get it cut, but just for you in this video, I'll do something for you. So here we go. Now I'm going to wear this the whole video just to make you guys feel better if you're getting annoyed by the hair going in my eyes. Question 4. Please, what is the dimension and size for a book cover? Uploading but always rejected, sir. Well, there is websites such as bookowl.com which will tell you what the dimensions are for each different interior size. And just for an example, something like a 6x9 inch interior, or the cover size would be 12.52 inches by 9.25. I talked a lot about it when I'm going to create my cover videos, so if you need a more visual example, go and check out those videos. I made quite a few in the past. And yeah, it's a good question, but I'd recommend you just go onto websites such as bookowl.com and they actually send you a template of the different sizes for each different interior size that you're wanting to use. Question 5 is from Rosina Zaidi. Hi, what about entering page numbers, as they always ask you to do that even if it's simple interior? Well, actually, KDP don't ask you to put numbers on an interior. It isn't needed. You can if you want. It's quite simple, but something that I've never done, and no, you don't need to do it. Question 6 is from Estera1. Thank you. Great video as usual. Appreciated. I was wondering what might happen if I would use a font that is for personal use on KDP. Thank you. Well, if you were to use a font that was specifically told that was only for personal use, well, the issue would come being that you can get copyright claimed. And what happens then is that you won't be able to make any money off that book, and all the money that you make off that book will have to go to that person that created that font. And in very extreme cases, you can actually get sued for using a font that wasn't allowed for selling online. But that's very unlikely and rarely ever happens. But yeah, it's just something to think about, and just remember to check the licensing terms just to make sure if you're able to use that font. But yeah, moving on to the next one. Next one is also from Lopez Motivation. Bro, do you have other ways to make money online from Amazon Books? Yes, I've made a bit of money online. I mean, you get a lot of kids my age that are doing a lot of like paper rounds, that kind of thing, working in coffee shops, working at supermarkets, all that kind of stuff. But I've never actually really wanted to do that. I've always wanted to make my money online and doing things I enjoy, like graphic work, video work, and all that kind of stuff. So yes, I've made money on a website called Merch by Amazon. If you haven't heard that, that's basically Amazon's apparel website, much like KDP, but instead you upload your graphics onto t-shirts. But it's very good for people that are very arty and very good at that sort of thing, which I wasn't that good. I suited much better with the KDP notebook sort of side. And you can also create pop sockets, hoodies. I think you can also create mugs now. I haven't gone on it in a while. But yeah, a great thing you should do is, if you're creating notebooks, and taking those notebook ideas and putting them on a t-shirt as well, so you can get multiple streams of income. And yes, I've also earned money from Gumroad, where you guys, if you buy my interior, I get a small commission and it really helps out the channel. I've also made money from building people high quality like PCs and computers. So that's like the big desktops you get for people that are wanting to do gaming or video and photo editing. That's a very nice bit of income. I get a nice bit of profit from that. And that's one where I've got the most money from, and I'm able to put into YouTube to make these videos a better place. Then hopefully in the future I am hoping to make money off YouTube and hopefully have that as another source of income. But yeah, we're still a few thousand hours off that. If you don't know the rules to get monetized, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, which obviously we already have. I think we're on 1,300 or something. Then you also have to have 4,000 watch hours, which is a difficult one. I think I'm on like 1,800 at the moment. So we're slowly but surely getting there. But yeah. Moving on to the next one. Hi there, your dad says search of all, you say search of books. What is the right answer? Well, there really isn't a right answer. It doesn't make a huge amount of difference. I personally search in books because I find I get more accurate results, but really it doesn't really matter. The main thing is to be creating these books. But yeah, you can search in all as well. Really, there's no right answer, but personally I prefer searching in books because I feel like there's more accurate results. Next one is from Mentari Diva. Hi, just want to ask, are you using Amazon ads or is it 100% organic sales? No, I'm not using Amazon ads because I'm not too familiar with that kind of software. It's not something that, yeah, I'm very knowledgeable about. So no, I haven't spent money on Amazon ads, but I know there's great potential there. And it's something I'd recommend to all you guys to do. I'll leave a video up there by a channel, which is my dad's channel, who does a very good tutorial on how to use Amazon ads. And yeah, I recommend it to all you guys, but no, for me, all my sales are 100% organic. And the last question is where to make KDP cover without Canva, and that was from Roast Ringer. So that's a good question. I create all of my interiors and covers in Adobe Illustrator, which is like the top one. If you're wanting to get the best software, Adobe Illustrator would be the one. Adobe create great softwares. I use all of their software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro. I love them all. But there is places such as Gravit Designer, Inkscape, and I think even Amazon has their own free one for you guys to use to create their covers and interiors. But yeah, there's many out there. You don't need to spend money on creating these books at all to buy the softwares and all that sort of thing. I've heard Gravit Designer is a great one for creating these covers and interiors. But yeah, those are a few that I've heard are quite good. And that is it for this video. That is the end of episode 2 of KDP questions. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, as I love reading all your comments, and I will make another video on questions that you guys have for me and I can answer in a video like this. And actually, I quite like the setup I have here. I quite like the natural lighting out the front and the dark background, so it might be something that you may see more in upcoming videos, because actually I really like how it's turned out. I'm going to take off my hat now, and oh my gosh, I do need to get it cut. You guys are right. But yeah, once again, if you enjoyed the video, remember to hit that like and subscribe button. It is greatly, as it is greatly appreciated. God, I forgot my outro then. And well, until next time, goodbye. Oh yeah, check my Gumroad store below if you would like to get any interiors to download for free, because I have my 1,000 subscriber gift that I have for you down there, and I also have a few other interiors that you can pay for $1, such as logbook interiors, which are very trending. And yeah, go check that out in the description below, and also go check out my Instagram. I'm going to start posting regularly on there, and it gives some exclusive content outside of this YouTube channel. And yeah, onto the outro. I'll see you next time.